Ever bought something online based on glowing reviews, only to be completely disappointed when it finally arrived? We've all been there, right? That feeling of being misled, the frustration of wasted money and time. It stings. Now, imagine your own customers going through that with products they bought from your Oberlo store. Not a great feeling, is it? It erodes trust, kills repeat business, and ultimately damages your brand. But what if you could flip the script? What if you could build a thriving online store where customers feel confident in their purchases, knowing that others have had positive experiences? That's the power of product reviews. They're not just fluffy testimonials. They're social proof in action, a powerful psychological trigger that can significantly boost your conversion rates. Think about it. When you see a product with dozens, even hundreds of positive reviews, you're instantly more inclined to trust it, aren't you? It's like having a crowd of satisfied customers vouching for the quality and value of what you're selling. Now, if you're using Oberlo to source and sell products on your Shopify store, you might be wondering how to leverage this incredible tool of social proof. How do you actually get those valuable reviews onto your product pages? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to walk you through the different methods you can use to add reviews to your Oberlo products, transforming your store from a question mark in the customer's mind to a trusted source for their needs. The first and perhaps most straightforward method is to import reviews directly from AliExpress. Since Oberlo primarily sources products from AliExpress, this is a natural place to look for existing customer feedback. Many AliExpress sellers already have reviews for their products, and Oberlo provides a feature that allows you to import these directly into your Shopify store. Here's how you can do it. First, navigate to your Oberlo dashboard and go to the Products section. Find the Oberlo product you want to add reviews to and click on it. On the product details page, you should see a tab or section related to reviews. It might be labeled something like Import Reviews, or have an icon that looks like speech bubbles or stars. Click on this section. Oberlo will then connect to the corresponding AliExpress listing for that product and display the available reviews. You'll typically see options to filter these reviews by criteria like star rating, country, or whether they include photos. Now, here's where you need to be strategic. Don't just import every single review, especially if there are negative ones. Focus on importing genuine, positive reviews that highlight the key benefits and features of the product. Look for reviews that mention things like the quality of the material, how well the product works, or the speed of delivery. Reviews with photos are particularly powerful as they provide visual proof of the product's authenticity. Oberlo usually allows you to select the specific reviews you want to import. Take your time to read through them and choose the ones that will be most persuasive to your potential customers. You can often set a minimum star rating to filter out lower quality feedback. Once you've selected the reviews you want, click the Import or Save button. Oberlo will then add these reviews to the corresponding product page on your Shopify store. Keep in mind that the appearance of these reviews on your storefront will depend on your Shopify theme settings. You might need to customize your theme to ensure they are displayed prominently and attractively. While importing from AliExpress is a great starting point, it's not the only option, and it has its limitations. The reviews are often from customers all over the world, and the language and context might not always perfectly align with your target audience. This leads us to the second crucial method, actively collecting reviews from your own customers. This approach requires a bit more effort but yields significantly more valuable and relevant feedback. When customers purchase from your store and have a positive experience, they are often willing to share their thoughts, especially if you make it easy for them. One effective way to collect reviews is by sending automated post-purchase emails. After a customer receives their order, you can send them a friendly email asking for their feedback on the product and their overall shopping experience. Include a direct link to the product page where they can easily leave a review. Tools like Klaviyo or even Shopify's built-in email marketing features can help you automate this process. To incentivize reviews, you could consider offering a small discount on their next purchase in exchange for their feedback. This can significantly increase the response rate. However, be careful not to incentivize only positive reviews, as this can skew the authenticity of your feedback. Another proactive approach is to reach out to satisfied customers individually. If you notice a customer has placed multiple orders or has left positive comments in other interactions, consider sending them a personalized email asking if they would be willing to write a review for their recent purchase. Furthermore, make sure your product pages have a clear and easy-to-use review submission form. The simpler it is for customers to leave feedback, the more likely they are to do so. Ensure that the form is mobile-friendly as many customers browse and shop on their phones. Finally, consider using third-party review apps available on the Shopify App Store. These apps often offer more advanced features, such as automated review requests, photo and video reviews, and the ability to display reviews in visually appealing ways. Popular options include Looks, Judge.me, and Yotpo. While some of these apps come with a subscription fee, the enhanced functionality and the potential boost in conversions can often justify the investment. By combining these strategies, importing relevant reviews from AliExpress, and actively collecting feedback from your own customers, you can build a powerful library of social proof that will instill confidence in your potential buyers and ultimately drive more sales. Remember, authentic and varied reviews are key. Don't be afraid of a few constructive criticisms. They can actually add to the credibility of your reviews and show that you're transparent. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.